Good morning. Meeting you at 2231 Thornwood, a new project that we have in Wilmette. This is a 1920s style Chicago bungalow. We're going to be taking off the roof behind us and adding a full second floor so the house walks and talks like a new construction and meets all of our 21st century needs. So yesterday we had the back of the roof already taken off and getting it ready for the steel worker that has arrived this morning. The house itself has a generous 1,400 square foot footprint, which will total almost 4,000 square feet when we're all said and done. So here we have the roof, what's left behind us. You can see how much wasted space was taken up by basically the low ceilings. You can follow the location of the vinyl flooring, so you can see it here. Everywhere where you see a floorboard, all of the square footage wasn't used. And same thing with the bedrooms here. Basically, right here, that's where the bedroom ended because the rafters came down too low. As we open this floor plan up and we put a second floor on it, it really becomes a comfortable footprint. We're going to have 3 bedrooms on the top floor with ensuite baths. This entire back section of the house is going to be the master suite. The stairs are going to be centrally located, almost where they are now, except for the fact that when we remove the rafters, we're actually going to be pushing them back all the way to the edge of the house, taking advantage of all of that unutilized square footage. Currently now in the kitchen. Okay. Everybody's showing up. Steel workers behind us are taking apart the glass rim of the window because we're going to have a steel beam come across, and then this bearing wall behind us is going to be removed, and we're going to open up the floor plan, which most new construction homes have and families require. Here in the lower level, we have 7'2" ceilings, which at the end of the day doesn't feel cramped, but when we're speccing out a house, I seem to get a little nervous with anything under 8 feet. So the concept here is to go ahead and leave this back section. So this back door here is going to still service the mudroom. We're going to have some additional cubbies on this wall. Here, where we have the beam and the column line, there's going to be a wall, and then 2 rooms, 1 by each window, 1 here and 1 here. And this area here will remain 7'2". The stair, like I said, is going to get moved over, and from this column line here, and you guys will see this in about a month or so, we're actually going to excavate the basement down 2 feet. And what this is going to do is going to give us 9-foot ceilings and a really fantastic feel to this lower level. As you can see, we already get a lot of light. These windows are at grade. Can't see through them now, but we got a lot of light coming in, and right behind me is going to be a bar and a furnace room with a lowered ceiling, make it a little bit more cozy. That'll be about 8 feet, and then the rest of this space is going to be 9 feet. In the front of the house, we're basically basically going to keep the dining room directly behind us, but this bedroom is going to be converted into a study. Where you see this lath and plaster wall, we're going to have 2 glass French doors that are going to open up into a large study that can be easily converted into a bedroom with an ensuite bath. The fireplace and this living room are going to stay pretty much in the same footprint, except that we're going to remove this arch behind me and open everything up into a large, inviting, open floor plan. So, I keep you guys posted as we keep progressing, and thanks for watching.